Hey everyone! Setting your AutoCAD plot to black and white using a Monochrome CTB is a standard workflow for professional construction documents. Here is the specific breakdown for getting a clean, high-contrast print. Step 1. Open the plot dialog. To get started, you need to access your printing settings. Type Plot or press Ctrl-P. If you see a small window, click the arrow icon in the bottom right corner to expand the dialog and see the plot style table options. Step 2. Select the Monochrome.ctb style. This is where the magic happens. A CTB file tells AutoCAD how to interpret colors during a print. In the top right dropdown labeled Plot Style Table, Pen Assignments, select Monochrome.ctb. This preset tells AutoCAD to take all 255 indexed colors and plot them as pure black. If a dialog box appears asking to assign this plot style to all layouts, click Yes to save time on future prints. Step 3. Verify color types, the true color trap. If your drawing still shows color in the preview, it's likely because of how your layers are colored. Ensure your layers use index colors, the 256 standard swatches. If you used True Color, RGB, or color books, the Monochrome CTB will ignore them and print them in color anyway. Change those layers back to a standard index color, for example, color 10 instead of RGB 255 120 0. Step 4. Check Plot with Plot Styles. Before you hit print, make sure the software is actually using the table you just selected. In the Plot Options section, middle right, ensure the box Plot with Plot Styles is checked. Click Preview in the bottom left. If everything looks black and white, you're ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.